Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I'm Abdul Asyar Fikri. I will explain about language learning through task activities. This subject guided by Ms. Ning Setiawati. And the first material, defining of task activity. Task activity may be defined as a piece, classroom work which involves learners in comprehending, manipulating, producing, or interacting in the target language, while their attention is principally focused on meaning rather than form. And so, defining tasks for young learner classroom, the aim in this section is to produce a list of defining features of tasks for use in teaching foreign language to children. We're not interested in an abstract concept of task, but in a unit of activity that can be used for lesson planning and evaluation, and which will also work as a unit of analysis in research by teachers or by researchers coming into classroom. The researchers begin by saying how the way baterainya habis lagi. Sobat. Okay, sorry. The researchers begin by saying how the ways in which the term task is commonly used in language teaching can contribute to redefining for teaching children. So, task activity, design of task activity for young learners. The first is make sure the task is clear. The student must know what they are expected to do and where they can find the resource and material they need to complete tasks. It is also essential to let them know when they will have to work and how much time they must devote to the task. And the second, give tasks that are challenging but achievable for all students. Tasks of intermediate difficulty, those that allow students to experience to improvement in their skills, are most effective in producing feelings of competence. It means the teacher needs to avoid easy tasks or difficult tasks. Furthermore, to make the tasks are challenging but achievable for all students can be done. And this is design of task activities for young learners. The next is strategies of task activities. Furthermore, the reason is mitigate the patterns of learner helpless. Below is a list strategies that the teacher can use to help the student develop to persistent the confident learners. The first is the strategies of tasks. There are start a unit of study by activating prior knowledge. The second, begin a unit of study or even smaller assignment within that unit with work that easier, then it will be near the end of the unit or assignment. The third, break longer assignment into smaller. The fourth, when students work in pairs or tries on even part of an assignment, they tend to do well working with a study buddy allows instant support when students are not sure of an answer. And the last, nothing success like success. Design activities where your student can shine and they will want to continue the positive feelings generated by that success. And the last is stage in classroom. In this section, a further aspect is added to the framework or classroom task, and that is the notion of steps or stages in teaching reading skills. It has been common practice for many years to plan reading activities 3 stages: pre-reading, reading, and post-reading. So we can conclude the task activities is an evaluation teaching material for students to identify problems that occur in the subject matter that has been conveyed by the teacher. In arranging or giving tasks to students, they must have strategies and activities that allow them to be able to do them from the easiest to the most difficult, so that each student ability can be measured from the student who have mastered or who have not mastered the material. The general conclusion is serves as a measure of success. This evaluation has the meaning of knowing how effectively a system can be done. The effectiveness of system can be determined by the following factor: curriculum, facilities, teaching models, teachers, student, and system itself. So this is language learner task activity for young learning. Task activities for young learner. Sorry. I think enough for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.